The Nourison Aloha Indoor-Outdoor Floral Area Rug is bold and versatile. It is available in sizes ranging from 2 feet 3 inches by 8 feet to 12 feet by 15 feet with 9 color options. It is also available in rectangular, runner, and round shapes. These rugs are made from stain-resistant polypropylene, making them easy to clean. They are made in a high-low flat weave and the patterns are raised and cut, giving the rugs a high-low texture. Each rug has a floral design. This Nourison Aloha Floral Area Rug is unique in that not only can it be used in virtually any indoor space, it can also be used outdoors. Its style and material make it a great fit for high-traffic areas such as patios and living rooms. Caring for this rug is simple. The rugs are lightweight, so they're easy to shake clean. Spot clean as needed, or use a vacuum or hose for deeper cleaning. The manufacturer also recommends using a rug pad for best results. These rugs can be rolled and conveniently stored when not in use. The Nourison Aloha Indoor-Outdoor Floral Area Rug is a low-maintenance product to add style and color to your home. With its easy cleaning and numerous color, shape, and size options, this Nourison Aloha Area Rug can be used in a variety of both indoor and outdoor spaces.